That's a salt water, right?
Uy, tinan mo, pwede ka pala mag-uwi, may nagsi-fishing.
Marami dyan sa gilid.
Uy, bumaba naman tayo, Beb. Siguro talaga, hindi mo man ako binababa sa ganitong
Babae, bakit kainin ka dyan ng pating?
Grabe ka naman, pating kagad talaga. Bababa lang para lang makita, malamig ba yung tubig. Grabe ka naman.
No, we're not done today.
Daly City, downtown San Francisco. Oh,
There's other ways. There's other ways.
Yeah, but I didn't want to miss the 101. I wanted to see what 101 is. Ayan,
Hanggang doon.
Oh my gosh, parang nakakatakot naman ito. Ito bago. Ito pa, hospital pa yan?
Yeah, that's part of it. That's part of it.
Ayan, oh.
So, ang laki ng hospital na yan, oh. See,
Ayan,
hanggang doon.
Oh my gosh, parang nakakatakot naman ito. Ito bago.
So, mo, yeah.
I think ito, ay,
makita mo doon, makita mo. It's
kahit dito
worse.
mismo sa street. Pero grabe nakakatakot. Ay, nandun pa sa likod.
Oh,
yung hospital.
I've gone through the back of the side of it.
Ito pa, hospital pa yan?
Yeah, that's part of it. That's part of it.
Wow. Yun o, ito yung paan.
We should, yes. Pag pumasok ka dyan, babe, ang dami na dyan ng mga homeless dyan. Yeah, kawawa. They sleep on the street. And then, ang daming mga kon dito, mga, you know, yung mga, may mga mental illness. Kuminsan they just, you know, they don't know what they're doing anymore.
It's so sad.
Nagtuturo.
Actually,
tumuturo sila na ano.
Ha? Meron ba doon?
So dito ako nagkakaliwa eh. So I'll show you where I go. So
where do you, yield pala tayo, yield.
Yeah.
Yield.
So dito ako
where do you go?
Doon sa yung company na
I thought
my customer. So right.
Akala ko customer mo yung General Hospital ng San Francisco.
Or the UCSF.
Sa UCSF.
Yeah.
Is that part of UCSF or no?
I think they're ordering one here.
But is that part of UCSF or no?
No. I don't know. Dati ang dami ditong kuan. Baka pinaalis na. Kasi punong-puno dito eh. Nung mga last week, I think, nung nandito ako, punong-puno ito ng ano. Kahit saan-saan.
Or maybe because it's
lininis nila oh. Dati ang daming basura dito.
Baka they moved to a different different location na naman. Kasi ganun daw ang mga homeless. They move
Actually,
to
we can walk
different,
over to yung Fisherman Wharf. Papunta dyan.
We can actually...
But you cannot, sometimes I park here. Kasi nandito yung pinupuntahan ko.
May mga pagkain na dito. Nakabukas na.
Pinupuntahan ko.
Maraming tao dun ah.
Dati, last week, babe, oh my God, punong-puno ng
I believe you, yeah.
Tulog dito, man. Pero cleaner out na eh. See?
Yeah. Pero so now they have to move somewhere. I bet you they moved somewhere else.
Doon na yung sa Harrison, tingnan mo, daanan natin. So dito yung Pax Lovely dito.
Huh?
Yeah, tingnan mo, ang dami dito nakatira sa kotse. Kaya ang hirap. Pag pupunta ko dito, ang hirap na hirap ako mag-park. So ito yung main, yung corporate ng Pax dito.
Nakakatakot naman ng ukan mo.
Ay, kung minsan wala akong parkingan dito, doon ako mga 3 blocks away.
Are you serious?
Yeah, buti nga, rini-reserve na sa akin
tuwing... may homeless doon na nakatira.
Yeah, marami dito. Kawawa eh. Buti nga, tuwing pumupunta ko dito, rini-reserve na.
May restaurant din dito, pero...
Rini-reserve na nila, baby. Tuwing pumupunta ko.
This is so wrong. They're so close to each other, man.
Yeah, I hope no one gets out. So, yung system ko nandito eh. This is part of this, right here. Nandito eh. Sa loob niyan eh. Dito, sa loob.
Oh.
Diyan ako pumupunta eh.
Anong klaseng train yan?
So, should we just keep going?
Yeah.
So, let's just go. I'm not familiar.
Be careful, ha? Harrison. Ito na yung sinasabi mong Harrison.
So, Harrison, and then, let's put the Golden Gate.
Golden Gate?
Yeah,
like you?
Put it on Golden Gate.
Oh, well, let's go to 101. Well, you go get gas first, right? You're gonna go get...
Doon, baby.
Hindi, but you're gonna get gas first, right?
Oh, pero walang gas station.
O, di maghanap na tayo ng gas station.
That's okay. Masyadong mahal dito ang gas eh. Nasa $5 per gallon.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Mahal dito.
My gosh.
It's expensive here.
So, what do you want me to do then?
Just don't worry.
Hindi, sabi mo ganun ikukuhan ko. O, patayin ko muna itong cellphone. Sandali.
Nandito ko. Dito, punong-puno dito.
Oh, may naiwan pa nga dyan. O, tinan mo.
Punong-puno
May
naman.
naiwan, oh. May naiwan pa, oh.
Turn left onto 13th Street.
Oh, turn left now.
Oh my gosh.
13th
I don't know, babes. I can't see.
Okay.
I can't read.
So,
Yeah, dito nga.
okay.
Ano to? Kwan pa?
Dati ang dami ditong kuwan, no? Mga tambay dito.
Tapos kwan pa ito. Yield pa. Oo, nandito yung nakikita ko sa kwan, oh.
Yeah,
Nandun pa nga, meron pang kwan dun,
In
eh.
800 feet, turn right onto South Van Ness Avenue.
Oh, alam.
Yeah, they did a clean up, babes.
Yeah, they did.
Kasi nakikita ko to, oh, yan pa, oh, may naiwan pa dyan, oh.
Marami dito, punong-puno ito eh.
Hindi, nakita
Turn
ko
right
to.
na, wait. Banes na ba ito?
Ha? Folsom yan.
Actually,
Turn
if you
right onto
just
South Van Ness Avenue.
turn right.
On South Van Ness
okay.
Avenue. So we're on our way to, oh, that's Target. Look at that.
Golden Gate.
To Golden Gate Bridge. We're gonna take you guys there para dito sa aming first ever vlog with my
Wala
babe
na
spot.
spray ito eh. Na
Oh,
tubig.
lininis nga ito.
Kasi ang dumi dito nung nandito ako 2 weeks ago.
Hindi, meron pa nga natira. Oh, yan oh. Meron pa mga natira. Oh, dyan oh.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan oh. Oh, ano naman
Continue on
sila.
South Van Ness Avenue for 2
Side by
miles.
side ito eh.
Ayun, nandun pa sa kabila oh. Yan oh. So we're gonna make a right turn here. And then, at yung
Okay,
Lombard
ako.
Street, babes, hindi ba yung Lombard Street?
Oh, pwede.
Yan yung parang, kuan? Hindi ba yan yung
Zigzag.
parang zigzag?
Napunta na tayo doon.
Oo nga, parang,
Naglakad tayo.
naglakad ba tayo nun doon?
Di ba yung pinupush pa?
Pinupush mo ako nun?
Hindi naman po. It's just a street.
I know, but that's a
So, diretso
popular
lang, diretso
street.
lang.
Yeah, dito.
Diretso?
Yeah, dito sa right.
So this is pretty much downtown San Francisco.
Yeah.
On the left side is
Sabi ko na masyadong sasakyan dito ngayon.
Head north on Howard Street
today's
toward 12th
Saturday.
Street, then turn
Ano,
left onto
ano?
12th Street.
At saka pandemic eh.
Oh, hindi mo narinig.
12th Street, then turn right onto South Van Ness Avenue.
Kamali ka na.
Head northeast on Howard Street toward La
Magla-left turn ka.
Turn left onto 11th Street, then turn left onto Mission Street.
On
Oh, this is
11th
11th
Street.
Street.
Yeah.
May light pala din.
Alam mo ditong ayoko sa San Francisco kasi nakakalito yung mga streets
Yeah,
dito.
yeah, yeah. If you might, it's easy to make mistake that you can go to one way.
No, it's hard because it's one way, ano ka?
I know, but like that, maybe you can go straight there, but you can't.
Yeah.
So
Ano
you
yan?
cannot. Pag yellow, you can actually make a left turn.
Ah, ganun ba?
Yeah,
Kakatakot
blink-
yung street, man.
Blink in yellow.
We're gonna make a left turn, babes.
Left turn here?
Yeah, sa may, dyan sa light. Sa Mission.
Turn left onto Mission
Tapos-
Street, then turn right onto South Van Ness Avenue.
Oh, okay, okay. Actually, Fisherman Wharf is just right there. Then turn right on Venice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think napakuan tayo kanina.
So these are the San Francisco.
Oo nga, yan o. Mga
downtown.
high-rising building talaga.
So we're about to go in.
High-rise. No, high-rise?
So make a right on here,
Uh,
South Venice.
yeah, you're gonna make a right turn. Yan o. Wow.
Turn right onto South Van Ness Avenue.
Ano to, hotel?
Yeah, I think
Oh,
so.
wow. Mas mataas ba ito kaysa sa doon sa San Jose, babes?
So this is South Venice, right? Make a right.
Yes.
Turn. Oh yeah, this will take you all the way there.
Actually, ang San
Continue
Francisco,
on South Van Ness Avenue for 2 miles.
for 2 miles. So, it's 5 miles away from here. Nasa ko na tayo. Nasa San Francisco ka na tayo.
We can go straight and then you will see like after that is Marin County. Tapos makita mo yung the nice beautiful bay. on the
Pero
right
hindi ba yung
side.
Lombard Street base is very popular yan? Ano bang meron
Sabi
sa
nga,
Lombard Street?
Yung Lombard Street yung
Yung zigzag?
Oo.
Doon tayo pinapapunta?
Oh, di
Ano yan? Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayun, mas mataas ba yun, no? Anong building yan?
so there's so many under construction here.
Now, leasing. Bago pa lang ito.
So this is downtown San Francisco.
Ito pala siya.
Ang daming mga lalaki.
Oh, merong San Francisco Conservatory of Music. Ay.
Ang nagsasama-sama dito mga lalaki at saka babae.
Dito siguro ako bagay ano, babes.
Babae,
Yeah.
babae.
Babe,
to
San
babae.
Francisco Conservatory of Music. Don't say that, babes.
Oh, yep.
Ayan, oh. Wow. Symphony. Ito, dito yata yung mga pang-singers. Oh, di ba?
Singer yung sewing machine.
Singer?
Oh, singer.
Songer ba? Ayan, oh, kita mo. San Francisco Conservatory of Music.
Ah. So this is a.
What is that?
I
City
think-
Hall?
I think. Yeah, this is
There's
like a
you.
famous building in San
Yeah,
Francisco.
oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, these
Hindi
are.
ko lang
like,
ito nakita talaga.
These are landmark. Buildings.
Landmarks talaga. City Hall nga.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi,
These are
California.
Either federal buildings.
Yeah, it is, actually. Oh, wow.
So, yeah, that's Dagat, right?
Oh, dagat yan, dagat.
That's famous Fisherman Wharf.
Ayun nga, oh. Fisherman's Wharf nga, oh.
Yeah.
May parking area nakasulat na. Nababasa na ba yan?
Yeah, $50 parking fee.
Are you serious? No way.
Yep.
Impossible.
Yep.
Yan na. Oh my gosh. Like I said,
Opposite
guys.
yung marina.
Yeah, like I
So this
said,
is the
guys.
beginning of building gate.
Oh, yan, may homeless pa dyan.
So,
Yan, first time. This is my very, very first time to actually come to the foot of the bridge.
You have arrived.
Yes! This is the San Francisco.
yeah, right. Dito tayo naglalakad.
Oh, dito tayo naglalakad na. Ayan, oh, kita no? Maraming tao. Yan, yan. Yay!